Jamaica is a country of extremes, especially when it comes to displaying their wealth. On this little rock, you will find some of the most beautiful and luxurious homes, nestled in some of the richest neighborhoods, stretching from Kingston to the coastlines across Jamaica, are some of the most beautiful homes, which could be featured on MTV Cribs as being the best and the most beautiful in the world. Today, a glimpse of Jamaica will take you on a tour of 10 of the richest neighborhoods in Jamaica. This will be part 1 of 2. So, before we get into this video, please remember to share it. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so now, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of the other videos I have in store for you.
So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars.
Starting off the list, we have Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth. Treasure Beach is a gem. If you want to find a luxurious place that is off the beaten path, then Treasure Beach is the answer. In this serene, secluded, and high-end community, it is one of the most charming and relaxing places in Jamaica. This quiet, deserted community is sought after by the elites. Next, we have IRONSHORE in Montego Bay. This neighborhood lies east of the Donald Sangsters International Airport, along the coast where you find a stretch of beachfront properties with golf courses, high-end condos, and expensive shopping areas. IRONSHORE is the epicenter of luxury in Montego Bay.
You don't ever wanna tell me what you're thinking. One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration. It's hard to care about you. I watch you fall apart like.
Next, we have Discovery Bay in St. Ann. Discovery Bay is one of the most beautiful places on the island, especially an area known as the Millionaires Row, with a plethora of ultra-modern luxury homes situated on the shoreline.
Pouring water over your fading spark. Isn't it enough already? Isn't it enough now, baby? Isn't it enough?
We also have GREENWICH in Blue Mountain, St. Andrew. High in the hills of Blue Mountain lies a community called GREENWICH. It lies near to the Newcastle soldier camp. These homes offer the very best view of the city and fresh mountain air. Some say it feels like heaven doorstep.
Enough, 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 enough. We keep on riding on the freeway. Keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on.
Also on this list is the Sansan neighborhood in Portland. Situated on the island's northeast coast is an area dubbed as Jamaica's Riviera. The neighborhood of Sansan is to the north of the Blue Lagoons, the site of many Hollywood movies. Luxury villas in the area range from a low of US $800,000 to US $3 million.
Like the snow, keep on wishing for a better day. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels, the better it.
Also on this list is the Golden Triangle in St. Andrew. This is one of the most expensive neighborhoods in Kingston. Several embassies and diplomatic residences are located in this area. The lots in this area are much larger when compared to other lots in Kingston. Vale Royal is also located in this neighborhood, which is the official residence of the Prime Minister. We also have Chancery Hall in St. Andrew on this list. Chancery Hall is a neighborhood in Upper St. Andrew. It is a home of professionals and returning residents. This community has some of Jamaica's most expensive homes, and it boasts some of the most interesting architectural work. The neighborhood gives you a breathtaking view of the city as well as the Blue Mountains.
You don't ever wanna tell me what you're feeling. One word out of your mouth, it's like starting a fire. Don't know what's worse, the pain or the hesitation. It's hard to make it through. I watch you fall apart, like pouring water over your fading spark. Isn't it enough already?
Winding down this list, we have Silver Sands in Trelawnny. This neighborhood is located in Duncan's Trelawnny along a fine white sand beach. It is being described as one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in Jamaica. Homes in this area ranges between US $1.2 to $2.5 million. It is one of the most expensive areas in Jamaica.
Isn't it enough now, baby? Isn't it enough, 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 enough? We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like the snow, keep on wishing for a better day. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels.
Also coming down on the list is Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills is one of the most upscale community in Kingston and St. Andrew. It has been the home of the elites since the 1970s and continues to be one of the most coveted neighborhood in Kingston. It runs par with its namesake in Beverly Hills, California, and it will not be outdone because it boasts some of the most beautiful homes in the world.
I watch you fall apart, pouring water over your fading spark. We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like the snow, keep on wishing for a better day. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. The better, the better, the better, oh, the better, oh, the better, the better, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah.
And then finally on the list, and by no means least, we have Spring Farms in Montego Bay. Spring Farm is a high-end exclusive exclusive neighborhood in the hills of Montego Bay near to the Half Moon Hotel. This neighborhood is nestled on a 2-mile beach outside of Montego Bay. Homes in this area range between US $1 million to $2.5 million. Okay, so
You don't ever wanna tell me what you're thinking. One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration. It's hard to care about you. I want you. You don't ever wanna tell me what you're thinking. One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration.
There goes part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will look at some other areas like Cherry Gardens, the lagoons in Montego Bay, some areas in Mandeville, and many other. And once again, thank you for watching.